The keyword lasso is an optimization that automatically analyzes search terms and suggests high-performing search queries that should be added as keywords to your Google Ads or Microsoft Ads account. These search terms are not currently present as keywords in your account. When using the tool, you can first choose the strategy by which the system should show the recommendations. By default, the system selects top suggestions, which include search queries with conversions or a high CTR. You can change this filter by only CTR or conversions, or you can choose to create custom ones to set thresholds on conversions, impression, cost, and other metrics. You can save your custom filter selection to use it the next time you run the optimization, and they can be saved for the whole team or just for you. On the left menu, you can select the campaigns for which you would like to view the suggestions. By default, the optimization will show all campaigns that have eligible suggestions. However, you can choose to filter them by campaign type, beta strategy, campaign groups, or labels. Additionally, you can change the date range if you would like to analyze suggestions for a specific period. Now, moving on to the suggestions, the first thing you're going to see, the campaign and the ad group for which the suggestion is being generated. For example, right now I'm seeing 2 suggestions for the campaign Optmyzr brand in the ad group Optmyzr catalog. I can see that the first suggestion includes the year 2018. In this case, I would like to modify it to include the year 2022. To achieve this, I can choose to duplicate the suggestion and edit the year in the duplicate, or I can change it directly in the suggestion. Right now, what I would like to do is duplicate the keyword so I can modify it and have it as 2022, but also keep the suggestion that includes 2018. You are also able to modify the behavior and match type for each of the suggestions. For example, for the keyword Optmyzr's catalog 2022, I would like to add it as a positive keyword in exact match. And the original suggestion, Optmyzr's catalog 2018, I can choose to either add it as a positive keyword or as a negative keyword at either the ad group level or campaign level. Let's say that I would like to add it as a negative keyword at the ad group level in exact match. You are also able to change the behavior and match types in bulk. All you have to do is select the suggestions for which you would like to modify them. Then, on top of the suggestions, you can click on behavior. Let's say that I want to change everything to positive, and then go to match type to select the one you want. Now, moving on to the suggestions, I can see that I have a suggestion for Optmyzr's Christmas catalog for the ad group Optmyzr catalog in the Optmyzr brand campaign. However, I already have a campaign that is specifically for Christmas. In this case, I will prefer to have the keyword added to the Christmas campaign. To achieve this, all I have to do is select the suggestion and then click on Move. I can choose to move it in the current campaign but to a different ad group, or I can choose to move it to an existing campaign. In this case, I'm going to select the Christmas campaign, and I can choose to create a new ad group or move it to an existing one. If you are using single keyword ad groups, you are also able to create them directly for these suggestions with keyword Lasso. All you have to do is select the suggestion for which you would like to create the SCAG. And then, under Create a SCAG, you're going to be able to select the campaign. In this case, I want to create it in the current campaign. And you're also going to be able to create a template name for the SCAGs that the tool is going to create. In this case, I'm going to be using the keyword and the match type, but I would like to add a SCAG to the name for easier recognition. Now, we can see that we are creating a new ad group with the name SCAG Optmyzr's Christmas catalog phrase. Once you are ready to save the changes, all you have to do is click on the button Add Selected Keywords to Account. You can also choose to use Keyword Lasso to view all the search terms that have gotten clicks in the selected period. All you have to do is enable Turbo Mode, which will take care of lowering all the thresholds so you can see all search queries that have gotten at least 1 click. You can go through this report to see if there are any irrelevant search queries that you would prefer to add as negative keywords in the account. If that's the case, all you have to do is modify the behavior and match type and then apply changes.